Jovimi. And right now, mga kaibigan, we will be witnessing the wedding traditions wherein our newlywed couple will do their first dance, the money and prosperity dance, and so on. And tonight is indeed a very special night for our newlywed couple because this day marks the beginning of their life together. And on this joyful beginning, what could be more fulfilling than to celebrate it with their first dance? And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to witness the first ever dance of our newlywed couple. And so, it is once again my privilege to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Florendo and Jovimi Corpuz in their first dance. How about we give them a big round of applause?
Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above me? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you did. On the morning sun in all its glory, grace a day with hope and comfort too. You fill my life with laughter, take away, make it better, ease my troubles, that's what you did. There's a long lost divine, it is yours and it's mine, like the sun. And at the end of the day, we should give thanks and pray to the one, to the one. Have I told you that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do.
Ladies and gentlemen, as they continue to sway and feel this wonderful moment, we shall be doing the money or prosperity dance, wherein you will have the chance to financially bless our newlywed couple as they begin their life together. So when I call your names po, mga kaibigan, this will be your chance para magbigay ng inyong cash gifts. Lahat po, mga gifts, whether cash or mga nakabalot na gifts, pwede po mga kaibigan. I'm going to call on first the principal sponsors, followed by their parents, family, and relatives. First on my list, Mr. and Mrs. Samuel Barba.
And at the end of the day, we should give thanks and pray to the one, to the one. Have I told you lately?
Next po, sa mga principal sponsors, retired Police Lieutenant Colonel Dexter Diovic Corpuz. Akin pong tatawagin din si Mr. and Mrs. Jolie Corpuz.
Take away all my sadness.
May I also call on Mr. and Mrs. Ricky Dawa. Isa din po sa mga principal sponsors, Mr. and Mrs. Carmelito Domingo. Next po, sa mga principal sponsors, mga principal sponsors po, Mr. Flor Domingo, Mrs. Mrs. Lucrecia Hernandez, Dr. Rolen Oracion, Punong Barangay, and Mrs. Clarence Pablo, Mr. Malcolm Marte Parado, Mr. and Mrs. Victor Keturas, Engineer and Mrs. Alexander Ramones, Mr. Ruel Uy, and Mr. Edicio Marlon Valdez. Sa lahat po ng natawag ang kanilang pangalan, now is your chance po para magbigay ng inyong gifts, whether cash or wrap gifts.
I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain.
Ayun naman mga kaibigan,
I was beautiful.
I will be calling the relatives, family and relatives of the bride.
You are the truth. And baby, every time you touch me,
Again po, relatives, family and relatives of the bride, si Ma'am Jovi Me. Ngayon na po ang inyong chance para magbigay ng inyong gifts o regalo.
nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. And you tell me that you love me. I wanna make you say,
Next po, family and relatives of the groom.
show you the loneliness.
Pakita po ang inyong chance para magbigay ng inyong mga regalo.
This time my dreams, everything is easy now. I have you here, and baby, every time you touch me, I'll become a hero. I'll make you sing no matter where you are, and bring everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. When you tell me that you love me, it won't be without you. I will always have you. All you need is your love to make me stronger. And baby,
And last call po sa mga family and relatives of our newlywed couple. Ngayon na po ang inyong chance. Right now, we are doing the money or prosperity dance during a wedding celebration.
nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. When you tell me that you love me, you love me. When you tell me that you love me.
Thank you so much. Ayan, so that concludes po our money or prosperity dance. Ay, meron bang... Ah, okay. Kala ko meron pang pahabol. So, tapos na po ang ating money or prosperity dance. And pagkatapos, ay, ayun, humabol si Ma'am Ria. And, pagkatapos ng ating money or prosperity dance, of course, you will seal it with a kiss. So, pakinggan nga, lahat ng ating traditions, you will seal it with a kiss. So, pakinggan nga ng matamis na kiss ng ating newlywed couple.
to remind you how much I care.
Go! Ayun, palakpakan naman po natin mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagbigay ng kanilang